Hello everybody, welcome to my tutorial. I am Niloy and now we are going to see how to write an email using Microsoft Word. Yes, if you are going to plan to invite your 50 friends in your birthday party, and are you going to write 50 emails to them? Oh, it's horrible. If you think to use Microsoft Word to write this email, then you can reduce your workload. Yes, you can write one email and make individual copy for your 50 friends and send them. Okay, simply to do this, first go to mailing tab, and as we don't know what is the sequence to write an email and send an email, so we will use a step-by-step process. So to do that, we are going to start mail merge group and start mail merge option. On the drop down menu, we are going to step-by-step mail merge wizard. Here is the guide who will guide us to do the step-by-step process to send an email. See, here are some process list, radio button list, from where we will choose what we are going to do. We are going to send an email and writing an email. So we are going to choose this radio button, email messages. There is no work to do, so we are going to next option, starting document. Here is the next option came. Select starting document. How do you want to set up your email message? Use the current document. Do you want to use the current document, this white paper? Yes, I am. There are some other options too. Start from a template. We know what is template. Okay, if you don't know, please wait some moments. We will talk about template in later in this video. Okay, start from existing document. If we have some existing document in our local memory, then we can use it for our mail body. So we are going to use this current document as our mail body. Okay, there is no task remaining, so we are going to the next step, step 3. Okay, here we have to identify our recipient list to whom we are going to send our email. Okay, there are several options. There are 3 options. Use the existing list. If we have any list, then we can use that. If we have any ready-made Outlook content, then we can use there, or we can type a new list. If we have an existing list, then we can browse it, and from our local memory we can use that list. Here is a list that I have on my local memory, but I am going to use the type a new list option to show for your convenient. Okay, to type a new list we have to do some more, because we are going to try a new list that we have to create. Okay, here is the create option, and here is the create wizard, new address list. There are several columns. We have to store the contact information to send an email. There are some unnecessary columns to send an email. We need not to store the phone number, the country, region, location, zip code. So I am going to delete the unnecessary columns. To delete those unnecessary columns, customize column button is appropriate option. Click on it and you will get the column list. Delete unnecessary options. Click on those unnecessary option and click on this delete option. Yes, I'm going to delete all the unnecessary columns from the list. I don't need these columns to send the email, or in my email body they don't need. So Okay, those are seems to be necessary for my mail. I am going to uh, I need one more column, so that I going to click this add button, and there is a field. I am going to write the column heading, that years. Okay, I will use on my email message body, so I created this new column. Okay, now I have those columns that I really needs. Okay, so start writing title, write title here, first name, write first name here, last name, company name, address, years, 3 years, city, email address. I need to write his email address. Okay, I need one more new entry to add my new friend entry here. So I click on the new entry, and here you go. uh, uh, in the city, we are going to fill up his city. He is on Dhaka, and his email address is okay. I finished. If you need more entry for your friends, then you can use this new entry option, and if you don't need any option and you need to delete that, then you click on those row and click delete entry. Yes, I need to delete this empty entry, so delete it. Okay, now I have to save it. There is no save option here. You can see there is no save option, so I have to click on this OK button, and you will get automatically a save option for it. Then you have to specify where you save this and what would be your file name. Here the file is to save the contact list, so I am going to birthday party friend list. Okay, and most important thing is that the type would be Microsoft Office or address list. It would not be the Word document format. Okay, so the file name is birthday party friend list, and the type would be Microsoft Office address list. Then save it. Okay, it is giving a preview. Okay, everything is okay, so we are going to click on this button. Okay, look, Microsoft is very clever. After creating a letter list, then it automatically clicks on the use an existing list and select your list. Here we can see this is my list, birthday party list, and it selects automatically, so don't worry about the selecting your contact list. Microsoft does the thing for you automatically, and you can go to the next option. In this option you have to write your mail, so let's start writing your mail with hello. Then what can I write? Okay, then invite them to your birthday party. And okay, then just finish your mail. Okay, here are some mistakes you can see there. After hello there is no first name or last name, and how many years we have not meet with our friend, there is no years. I am planning to use here some field to make it an abstract structure for sending the same mail to our all of the friend in our contact list. I am clearing. If I can make a formal structure of a mail, then I can just put on the necessary information on the specific place and can produce an unique copy for each of my friend on the contact list and can send easily, isn't it? Let's see how I do that. Hello, after hello I want to insert my friend's first name, but I can't specifically the friend first name here because it's not going to write on a specific friend mail. I am going to write a abstract format of mail, so I am going to insert a field where the field include the information from the contact list at the final stage. To do that, insert merge field will help you. Click here and you will get the column you stored before. So click on the first name, click on the last name, hello, first name, last name. We have not met for several years. How many years? I have stored years. Here's the years, yes, and that is the template. Template means the abstract copy of your mail that can be used to produce unique copies. How many copies it is not specific, unique copies to send each of your friend. Okay, this is the template. After that we will produce an unique copy for each and every friends on my contact list. Okay, then we are going to the next step, and that's the step we are going to produce a unique copy of mail for each of our friend. Let's click it. See, here's the name, one of my friend, here's the year according to the name, and the next friend, here's the next friend, Rubel Khan came, and for his name the year corresponding to the name came from the contact list and set here. Okay, we have our message body ready, so we can easily go to the next step to complete the merge. Go to the merge. Now we have to send email now, or we can save it by clicking here to send it later. To save it, just click here and give it a name. Okay, and the format would be Word document, and save it. We have not specified any location. Here's the location on my local drive D. We are going to save the email with the name birthday invitation, and the format would be Word document. Okay, save. Now we can send them at this moment too, or we can use the saved document to send this email later. If we want to send this email now, then we can do email address. This email address comes from our contact email address column. This email address will be constitute according to the name of the contact list, so don't worry, just write your mail and we are not going to attach anything, or we are not going to send an HTML page. We are going to send a plain text, that is the message. So we will select plain text from here, and we are going to send all of our friends, not the current record, or not a range from 150 to 150 to 250. We are not going to send 100 email from a range. If you need, then you can use this option from 150 or something to something, but I am going to send all email, so I am selecting all, and if I click OK, then there is an error message because I have not created yet any Outlook profile, so there is showing an error. So if you have installed any client side mail software, then it is okay and it would be ready to send your email. But if you have no, then you have to install any client side software like Thunderbird or Outlook from Microsoft to do this. Thanks everybody for watching my video, and subscribe us for more materials. Thank you.